1 Shanghai Maglev, 431 km per hour, 268 miles per hour. The Shanghai Maglev is the fastest train in the world, operating in China since 2004. It uses magnetic levitation technology to reach a maximum speed of 431 km per hour, 268 miles per hour, during its 30 km, 18.6 mile, journey from Shanghai Pudong International Airport to Longyang Road Station. To Fuxing Hao CR 400 off/VF, 400 km per hour, 248 miles per hour. The Fuxing Hao CR 400 off/VF is a high-speed train operated by China Railway. It runs on the Beijing-Shanghai high-speed railway and can reach a maximum speed of 400 km per hour, 248 miles per hour. 3 Shinkansen E5/H5, 320 km per hour, 199 miles per hour. The Shinkansen E5/H5 is a high-speed train operated by Junior East in Japan. It runs on the Tohoku Shinkansen and Hokkaido Shinkansen lines and can reach a maximum speed of 320 km per hour, 199 miles per hour. 4 AGV Italo, 360 km per hour, 223 miles per hour. The AGV Italo is a high-speed train operated by NTV in Italy. It runs on the Milan-Naples high-speed line and can reach a maximum speed of 360 km per hour, 223 miles per hour. 5 Siemens Velaro E/ADS 103 to 350 km per hour, 217 miles per hour. The Siemens Velaro E/ADS 103 is a high-speed train operated by Deutsche Bahn in Germany. It runs on the Cologne-Frankfurt high-speed line and can reach a maximum speed of 350 km per hour, 217 miles per hour. 6 Eurostar E320, 320 km per hour, 199 miles per hour. The Eurostar E320 is a high-speed train operated by Eurostar International in the UK. It runs on the London-Paris-Brussels high-speed line and can reach a maximum speed of 320 km per hour, 199 miles per hour. 7 Alstom AGV, 360 km per hour, 223 miles per hour. The Alstom AGV is a high-speed train operated by Trenitalia in Italy. It runs on the Turin-Salerno high-speed line and can reach a maximum speed of 360 km per hour, 223 miles per hour. 8 THSR 700T, 335 km per hour, 208 miles per hour. The THSR 700T is a high-speed train operated by Taiwan High-Speed Rail in Taiwan. It runs on the Taipei-Kaohsiung high-speed line and can reach a maximum speed of 335 km per hour, 208 miles per hour. 9 Talgo 350 to 350 km per hour, 217 miles per hour. The Talgo 350 is a high-speed train operated by Renfe Spain. It runs on the Madrid-Barcelona high-speed line and can reach a maximum speed of 350 km per hour, 217 miles per hour. 10 ETR 500 Frequirasa, 360 km per hour, 223 miles per hour. The ETR 500 Frequirasa is a high-speed train operated by Trenitalia in Italy. It runs on the Rome-Naples-Florence-Milan high-speed line and can reach a maximum speed of 360 km per hour, 223 miles per hour. It's important to note that these are the maximum speeds that these trains can reach under ideal conditions, and that their actual operating speeds may be lower depending on a variety of factors such as track conditions, weather, and passenger loads.